Hello everyone, my name is Bhavya Sri. I am from Hyderabad and I am a recent computer science engineering graduate from Ready Engineering College for Women, and I joined JNTU Spiders in December, where I enrolled for the Express batch, and I took for the SDET role, so where I learned all the manual testing concepts as well as automation testing concepts. And for every week we used to attend presentations as well as grooming sessions, where we improved our knowledge, and also we always used to take tasks from our trainers, and we used to perform all tasks on time, and by that we improved the technical knowledge. And we also have some by those grooming sessions and presentations, we used to attend the interviews. By that, we used to crack the interview, and that is how I cracked the recently attended company where I cracked the automation role. And